Hi there and welcome to Review Information. Today I will show you how to stop someone follows you in Instagram. Go to the Instagram app from your apps list. Go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner. You can see your followers list beside your profile icon. Tap on followers. Here the list of your followers will be appeared. Select the follower whom you want to stop following you. Just tap on the three dot beside his profile. A confirmation message will pop up. If you remove this person, Instagram won't tell him or her that he or she has been removed from your followers. Tap on the remove button. That's it. You have successfully stopped this person to follow you in your Instagram account. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.